To make a flour mix, Miller combined soybeans cost $9.25 per bushel, with wheat costs $3.75 per bushel. How many bushels of each were used to make a mixture of 500 bushels? It costs $6.15 per bushel. Okay, so we got our, I guess, soybeans and wheat we're mixing together. And then that's going to give us our blend. Now our true quantities, looks like they're giving us dollar and bushels. So we got our dollar in bushels. And we got our dollar. And we got our bushels. And then over here, we're going to have our dollar and our bushels again. Okay, to make a flour mix, Miller combined soybeans cost $9.25 per bushel. So that's $9.25. With wheat, it costs $3.75. So this is $3.75. How many bushels of each were used to make a mixture of 500 bushels? So the telling us our mixture has 500 bushels. That costs $6.15 per bushel. So this will be $6.15. And round 2 decimal places if necessary. So how many bushels of each? So I'm going to put X in one of these. Doesn't matter which one. Now pretend that instead of this being X, pretend this is 100. Then if I think about how many bushels are here, I would have my total bushels, which is 500, minus the 100 would give us 400. Well, it's not really 100, it's X, but it's still the same idea. We'll do 500 minus X. Whenever you put in variables in two blanks over here like this, one of them will always be X, and then the other one will be your grand total minus X. Okay, now we're ready to solve this. First step is get rid of parentheses. So I got 9.25 times X. That gives us 9.25X. Over here I'll use the distributive property. I'll take 3.75 times 500. 3.75 times 500. And that gives us 1875. And then I got 3.75 times negative X, which gives us negative 3.75X. Well, that's pretty bad right there. Let's try that again. I can write a little bit better than that. Not much. There we go. And then $6.15 times 500. So 6.15 times 500. That's going to give us 3,075. Okay. Well, combine together like terms at any step. 9.25x minus 3.75. I'm going to plug in the calculator. I'm not very good at decimals. 9.25 minus 3.75 gives us 5.5x. Plus 1875 equals 3075. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with x on one side, numbers on the other. So I'll take the 1875 over. When you take anything across or equals, the sign changes. So the 1875 becomes a negative 1875. At any step, combine together numbers. 3075 minus 1875 gives us 1200. And then our last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of our x. So we'll divide both sides by 5.5. And when you do that, those 5.5s cancel. 1200 divided by 5.5 gives us 218.18 to 2 decimal places. Now this is going to be our X, which is soybeans. Now for our other one, the amount of wheat is 500 minus X. So we'll do 500 minus that. So 500 minus 218.18. And that gives us 281.82. And this is the amount of bushels for our wheat. So this is our first answer. And this is our second answer.